All right, guys. So we're here on ES. Market kind of stalled until Nvidia earnings came out, and obviously when Nvidia earnings came out, we basically pushed upwards. That's pretty much the market was kind of waiting for. And then this is gonna be kind of a style of what I'm looking at in terms of charts. So now I'm kind of looking at these highs down here. We obviously pushed past those highs. I was marking that out on my laptop there. We got those highs. I only care about those lows. We'll leave those lows on here. Obviously, push past those highs, so I obviously don't care about that. Push past those highs, don't care about that. And then now I'm just kind of waiting in if we get a break of structure and more bullish order flow to the upside, and if we decide to break to the downside to see if we get any bearish order flow. So I guess that's kind of it. News. Hold on. Let me kind of take a look at that real quick. I forgot to see. I think we might have news today. Hold on. Apply filter. Wednesday. 20. Okay, tomorrow. Non-farm payroll, unemployment claims, and oh, that's tentative. Okay. Average hourly earnings. So yeah, unemployment rates and unemployment claims and non-farm payroll. Okay. Okay, so we got that for tomorrow. Be aware of that. And then the unemployment claims are obviously tentative. And I forgot to mark out those highs, so I'm worried about those highs. Those are 15-minute highs. I always kind of mark out my 15-minute highs. So here. And then obviously I don't care about those highs since those highs got pushed. Actually, I could leave them up. You know what? That just came to my mind. I'll leave these highs kind of marked up unless we want to push lower. I don't care about those. Okay, we don't care about those either. Actually, I do care about these lows. Never mind. I do care about those lows. 15-minute lows marked out, and then obviously let's kind of look on 1 hour highs. Okay, yeah, let's kind of mark out the 1 hour high. Okay, 1 hour high. Got some 1 hour lows, and actually I don't care about that one because this is a lower low, and we care about the newest kind of lower low. Alrighty, and then let's go back on 5 minutes. So I can mark out London session, the 15-minute candle, and London session low, which is kind of all the way down here. And actually turn on my magnet. Okay, I think that is pretty much it. Do I? Let me get on 15-minute and see if. Yeah, gonna leave that just in case we break below it. Because if we break below this, then that's pretty much an enter for me. Because then we'll be in bearish order flow. I'll already have a confluence made, breaker block, order block, fair value gap, break a structure going into bearish order flow. Yeah, and or equilibrium. So yeah, I'll definitely in between here. We'll definitely find a confluence. Dang, it couldn't come to me. And then let me get all of my time frames marked out. This is what I do literally every day to start a video, and I figured why not record a video on me on how I start. That's what today's video is. How I read the charts literally every day. I'll typically mark all of this stuff out before I even start recording, and I'll do a little bit of market analysis, kind of see um what needs to be said in the video. Obviously, the market was waiting to price in Nvidia earnings today. That was what literally everyone was freaking out about. I guarantee you traders went crazy. They must have been screaming if they accidentally shorted because my god, did it just rocket upwards. And then let's leave that up. Yeah, that's an immediate answer right there. So yeah, and then let's kind of swap over to BTC here. And y'all all can see, I did take a trade today. Actually, I took 3 trades today. Um, so actually, let me leave this up. Let me kind of show y'all what I was kind of thinking here. I'll leave this up. You know what? All right. First thing I kind of saw bearish SMT down to those lows. I saw a big candle made downwards. I think I was on 5 minute. Yeah, 5 minute for value gap. Immediately entered off of a break of structure to the downside. Immediately entered right there. We kind of came in a little bit, and then we obviously went upwards as Nvidia earnings went out, and now we're just consolidation right there. So yeah. Oh, so yeah. That was literally it. Literally just saw market trending downwards, trading with the trend here. Saw a bearish SMT get made to those lows. Entered in the halfway point because I mean we were in bearish order flow. So I was trading with the trend there, press sell, literally executing my strategy to a T. We broke structure to the downside. I think I had this as I did say if a candle went below this, I was entering. I remember telling myself that. I even got a recording. I'm obviously gonna place a little screenshot of me, um, kind of. I don't have a screenshot of me taking this trade, but I'll definitely pop up on how much I lost. And then on the opposite side, I did place another trade, but this trade was for 3 grand. So let me get that out real quick so I can kind of see what where I entered at, because this was on a separate account. So I did take 2 trades a day. One trade was a loss of like 1,000 something, and the other trade was a trade upwards. Okay, position. Where did I enter at? Symbol price 92,459. Price was 90,935. All right, so let's find that out. 90,000. 90,935. Wow, that was pretty trash. 90,035. 2 units. So yeah, let me kind of explain my thought process below this. Alrighty. Okay, so I knew Nvidia earnings were coming out at this point in time because time was obviously getting close here, and candle we felt, and then Nvidia earnings came out, and then I saw the big blue candle and I entered literally right there. All right, found it. All right, so yeah. We made a fair value gap to the downside. I saw a candle get made. Literally entered as soon as I saw that candle shot up. Literally press entered, and yeah, I'll definitely put in a picture of both of my trades, and then definitely gonna leave this up. So this is literally what I do on a daily basis every single day. I know this video was kind of in scrambles, but I low-key just wanted to hop on here, press record, literally give y'all all the news that I possibly can. I'm super consistent on this. I'm literally appreciate every single one of you guys. Literally tomorrow I'll come out with like 2 videos of an ES trade and probably a BTC trade. And then obviously MA market analysis, and then I'll literally do the same thing as I do here today. So that's literally it for today's video. Oh, let me read y'all some like motivational quotes because I finally got some, guys. I finally freaking got some. All right, so I'm gonna probably read out like 5 of them. Okay, so patience turns noise into opportunity. Small consistent wins outrun reckless big ones. Let me see another one here. I'm kind of scrolling right now. Risk management. Risk management is confidence in disguise. That's a third one. And then your biggest competitor is yesterday's you. That's a really good one. The best traders are students forever. And then one more. The market is a mirror of what you see, reflections of your habits. That's a good one. So yeah, those are all my motivational quotes for today, guys. I love to get a I want to start giving out 5 motivational quotes per video because I've low-key been slacking on that. Um, so yeah, that's literally it in today's video. I hope y'all guys enjoyed today's video. I'm trying to be super consistent. So, um, I appreciate all y'all coming to my TikTok, coming to my YouTube. I seriously do appreciate it. And I'm going to mark out my charts again. And then, yeah. So that's going to be it for today's video. I appreciate y'all. Thank you for everything, literally. Catch you on the next video.